Here we go. All right. Mediocre Man channel. What we're gonna do today, I don't know if we're doing this on TikTok or YouTube or whatever, but all of you have seen the Dubai chocolate bars, and they're very expensive. If you buy them in the store, they're like 10 to 15 bucks per bar. Pretty small ones too. You buy them online, it's the same price, maybe a little more. If you buy the kit, it's the same price, maybe more. And really, all you got to do is get the raw ingredients. You get a big bag of semi-sweet chocolates from Costco or wherever. You can get a bag of this, I forgot what it's called, but it's basically phyllo dough, little crispy phyllo doughs. And you get any kind of pistachio butter you want. And once you have these things, you can also get on Amazon one of these molds where you pour the chocolate in. That's all you need. And then you can make chocolate, Dubai chocolate bars, as many as you want. And the cost goes way down. So that's what we're gonna do right now, okay? Okay. So step one is we are going to fry up our little insert, okay? This is the phyllo dough. I forgot what they call it. It's like katifa or something. I don't know. All right, hold on. All right, so we're going to take a tablespoon of butter, preferably salted butter, and heat it up.
Yep.
Then we're going to take our crispy phyllo dough, put it in the pan.
Very good, Chef.
And we're just going to go ahead and stir it around with the butter and brown it real quick. Okay, pretty simple stuff.
Good job, Chef.
Okay, you can see we're just browning it.
Yeah.
Almost done.
Yep.
You don't want to burn it. You kind of break it up as you do it.
Good job, Chef.
Thank you. All right, so almost done. I don't know if you can see the color as well on the video, but coming out real good. Looks legit.
Yes, Chef.
Okay. And we'll take it off the burner. So we got our semi-sweet chocolate. We're just gonna do it the easy way. There's a couple ways you can do it. Use a double boiler or whatever. If we're too lazy, we're just gonna shove it in the microwave. You should probably do like 30-second increments. We'll go 45. All right. Here we go.
17, 16, 15.
All right, so now we're stirring the chocolate. We're gonna pour in maybe a quarter to half layer in the mold and stick it in the freezer for, you don't have to do it that long. It says, like most people do half hour, I do 10 minutes.
And I'm getting better. This is my parents called me Jagged Butthead. I love it.
You could always melt more chocolate. Turns out you need more. We don't do measurements here. We do it by eye. It's how I cook.
Okay.
Don't do recipes. I just kind of go by feel. So there we go. A little more chocolate in there. Smear it around. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you see that or not. All right, so now we're gonna put it in the fridge, or freezer rather, and go to the next step. While that is in the freezer, we're gonna go ahead and do the next step, which is holding up my phone, the pistachio butter. So we're just gonna pour that right into this. Of course, I gotta open the jar. Okay, and then we're just gonna pour that in there and mix it up with the crunchies. Okay. Watch out.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Okay. A little thicker than what I was planning on, but should work. This is a little more peanut butter-ish, which so it's good that the pan is a little bit warm still, so it'll make it melt more. And we get a nice lather going. See that? Doesn't that look yummy? So that's the pistachio butter with the crunchies.
I'm just lazy. I'm gonna leave the kid.
Alright. Then after a couple of minutes, we'll pull the little mold out of the freezer and put this stuff in there. Okay, so this is maybe 10 minutes. So we got the first layer of chocolate there. We got our filling.
And I love this ball.
Now we're just gonna go ahead and pour that in there. So you can see.
That's your brightest. Boom! Do the fire bomb.
All right. Spread it out nice and even. And we got lots of filling because I like lots of filling. Maybe you don't like lots of filling. You don't have to put as much as I did. All right, so this is what it looks like now. And then we just pour the chocolate on top. The 10 minutes that the other chocolate's in the freezer, this chocolate still stays melty and you're still able to use it this way, so you don't need to reheat it or anything. And you just kind of try and smear it without messing up the insides and making it come through like that. Kind of drizzle it in the corners. Lightly push it into the spot, all the way to the edge. And then when you're all done, it just pops right out. You freeze it, and then you pop it right out. Again, you don't have to freeze it. You can go like 30 minutes. You can do it less if you want. It just sort of depends on how you want it. The longer you go, the more the insides get hard. I don't like hard insides. I like soft insides, so I don't go 30 minutes. I go like 15. And you can drizzle broken pistachios on top if you want to give it a little more texture on the top. I don't feel like it's necessary, so I don't do that. I just do the chocolate. So there it is. And we just pop it in the freezer.
Wait.
All right, here we are. Here it is out of the freezer. Been here like 15 minutes.
All right.
Maybe a little more. And we just peel a little bit on the edges like that.
Yep.
I left it even a little bit too long. It's like that. And then it just comes right out. And there we go.
Oh, can I try it?
Yep, look at that. Wait. Hold on.
Look at that.
Look how beautiful that is. Look at that.
Wait, let me get it in the picture.
I mean, it's pretty, hold on, let me switch it around. Okay. Does that look pro or what, dude?
It looks like I want to eat it.
Yeah. All right, we'll cut a piece off and we'll try it. All right, here we got the bar.
Just so you know, my name's Jax. That's the name.
And I'm just going to go ahead and cut a piece and show it to you.
My name's Jag, just so you know, you guys.
That's true. That is his name.
And he is my dad and my butlers that you saw.
And so this is what it looks like.
Can I have it?
You can take a bite if you want. Hold on, let's get you on. Go ahead. Come on, bite it already. Don't lick it. Bite! Oh, you can't because your tooth, huh? Okay. That is delicious. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Success.